my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today I'm going to be creating some Christmas ornaments using wood slices, some printables. I just googled Canadian symbols in silhouette and this is what came out, so I printed two different sizes just in case. Some ribbon, hot glue, and then I am going to be trying out this new tool. It's a wood burning tool and I will have it linked down in my Amazon store if you're interested in trying it out yourself. So, and I also need marker and scissors. I would also like to mention that this video is part of a very big collaboration hosted by Nadia from DIYs with Nadia, and she had invited a whole bunch of us to participate in this international Christmas ornament collaboration. And if you can guess, my country is Canada, and that is what I will be making for this DIY. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut out these symbols. Obviously I'm gonna do 4 different ones. I would like to mention that there will be a link to Nadia's channel as well as a link to a playlist for you to enjoy and get plenty of DIY ideas. Okay, so I cut up some and then I'm gonna save these. If this works out, I will be getting some more wood slices. So I'm just turning this up to the highest that I possibly can. So while that's heating up, I'm going to trace these. Among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around. Now, if you didn't have a wood burning tool, another way that you could do this is you could color this in or paint it in, and I think it would look pretty good as well. The tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? Okay, so I practice on one, so I'm going to start on this one, and the key is to go slow. And you also want to make sure that your heating tool is very, very hot. Just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether or not you're with somebody new, still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. Okay, so I did an outline kind of thing over here, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fill it in.
Beautiful wife, 2 kids, and a dog pup. Still, sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever you are, near or off far, outside my door.
There it is, and I'm going to repeat the same thing for the rest of them. Here is my little hockey sticks. Now with the hockey sticks, the blue definitely did not work very well here. I might sand it down, but I'm just going to finish burning the puck here and then do the other ones, but I'll do that last. Now I'm gonna work on these two. So here they are. I really love the way these 3 worked out, but I am not crazy about the blue showing. So I'm going to give a try with a little bit of a sandpaper and see if I'll take out the glue, but I have a feeling it's just going to maybe spread it out a little bit.
I still wish you, baby, a scream.
So what I might do with this one, just to show you, is paint it with some black paint, acrylic paint. Just fill it in a little bit.
I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love.
So I would recommend maybe using a pencil to trace it if you don't like the way the black marker looked. I found the black marker looked fine, just the blue one I did not like. There we go. So I do prefer these. This one obviously will do, or you can always flip it and make another design on the back if you're not overly happy with that one. Now for hanging, there are a couple options that you can do. So you could drill a hole on top and thread ribbon through, or you can just hot glue some ribbon to the top of it, to the other side of it, or to the top of it if you're gonna do both sides with the design. I'm just doing the one side, so I am going to hot glue mine to the back of it. There we go. I'm gonna do for the rest of them, and then I'm gonna show you what they look like on a tree. So here they are. I think they turned out really good. I think they're very unique, and they do represent Canada. So I'd like to thank Nadia for hosting this collaboration. Make sure you check out her channel as well as the playlist linked down below. And if you are looking for some decorate with me videos, make sure you head on over to my home channel, which is linked down below as well. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in my next video.